Hi everyone, my name is Eddy Tseng. Welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a pearl bowl. This is one kind of the dim sum. Here I got my basic dumpling pork filling. If you want to know how I prepare the pork dumpling filling, here is the click link. Alright, and I got we call it gluten rice. It also called sweet rice in Thailand. Alright, then this is original, you can see, and this one is what I already soaked overnight. For the gluten rice, you don't need to wash 3 times or 4 times. No, you can just soaking straight away. Just put a cold water, soaking overnight until this. If you don't have much time, but at the least you must soaking at the least for 2 hours. Okay, 2 to 3 hours will be better. And in here I got the water chestnut. It's original like that, and this is what I chopped from the water chestnut. And here is what I got in the can. It's difficult to get the fresh one now. I know that a lot of places you can't get it, but you can easily to purchase from the local Asian market in the can. Okay, just draining and chop like this. And here is my little secret weapon ingredient. All right, this so simple. This is just the cheese. This time you can use cheddar cheese, and this time I use mozzarella. And this flavor, it won't be overpowering with the pearl bowl. Okay, and this is I got a little bit we call it kochi berry. Okay, kochi berry, and I already soaked in the water for about 30 minutes getting soaked. This one is just for a tiny garnish. Okay, that's all ingredients we need. Let's get it started. Right, first we need to prepare our steamer. This I got the beautiful bamboo steamer, and we need to line a piece of the baking paper. Okay, I already cut the hole like this. If you want to know how I cutting the hole like that, you can see our link here. I will show you how to cut the baking paper like this. All right, and also there is the tip how to maintain your bamboo steamer in our video. All right, okay, all you need to do just line the sheet, then we can just stand by on the side. Now let's start preparing our filling. Very simple. All right, this is I got the chopped water chestnut. Then all you need to do just put it in. This amount I chopped the water chestnut. This amount is 6 pieces. Cut from there, about 6 pieces. This size should be enough there. Okay, now just mix up all together. In this time, we gotta use our kitchen best tool is your finger. Just mix in. Once all the chestnut, water chestnut, and our pork filling combine together. Okay, now let's starting to making the bowl. What I normally do is holding a bigger piece in your hand, and you start to squeeze, then it will come out like this. You can see. Okay, let me repeat it again. Put it in here like this. Look, squeeze out, then it will automatically come out. Then you just have your spoon ready, then pick up like this. Then it will give you beautiful shape of the meat bowl. Next step, just put our bowl into our sticky rice. Now what we need to do is just coating our bowl with all around, sticking into our meat bowl. Okay, after done, then you want to kindly little bit of squeeze. This one can help make sure your rice can stick in your meat bowl like that. Okay, as you can see, now it's ready to placing into our steamer. That's it. Okay, then we just repeat until finish our pork. If you don't know how to squeeze the bowl like what I'm doing, it's also no problem though. You can just pick up like this, make sure it's good quality working in your hand like that. It also can be working, no problem at all. Okay, that's it. And then we're starting coating our bowl with the sticky rice. The kind squeeze, make sure it's all can be sticky. Okay, that is good for me. Then placing into our bamboo steamer, and just carry on to finish our bowl. Squeeze, make sure. Squeeze, squeeze. Okay, there you go. Alright, the first 5 is the basic and traditional way to making the pearl bowl dim sum. Now I show you my little secret weapon is adding the cheese in the middle. Okay, the same technique, just make a bowl in here. Okay, like that. Then you gonna squeeze a little hole in there, and just take one block cheese, squeeze in, like this. Then we go close up. So simple. And outside coating all our gluten rice, and make sure like this. Okay, here we go. Another one. Okay, then the first one I'm gonna use all with my cheese. Okay. Yep. Here we go. And squeeze in and close up. Very simple. And coating into our bowl of gluten rice. Sure. Yeah. Alright, this is my last one. So I also stick a little cheese inside. One should be enough. Okay, here you go. Okay, good. Now we go. Last one is slightly big. Okay, right. I finish my pearl bowl. So next we're going to steam. Bring my pot. Then get the heat on. Remember, this must waiting for water till boiling before we put our pearl bowl on. Alright, you see my water is boiling. Let's bring our pearl bowl on. Oh, good. Okay, lid on. Now we keep a medium high heat for about 8 minutes. Alright, this 8 minutes up is ready to open. Okay. Wow, look there. You can serve it straight away, but what I normally like is get a little bit nice garnish. This is the soaked kochi berry. You can just garnish on the top each one. The kochi berry you don't need to really cook a long time. So what I'm going to do is let me garnish all with kochi berry first. Then I will going to cover up the lid on, then let it steam another minute. Just quick cooking the kochi. That's all. Okay, that's it. Alright, there's another minute going. It's ready to open up. Let me show you. Yeah, just right it done. Okay, I get my plate here, and be careful. It's very hot, very hot. Okay, you got. Alright, now. Okay. Right, that is my pearl bowl. Okay, how to make an easy, simple, beautiful, and delicious. Thank you for watching the video. If you like, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. I see you next time on Eddy's Kitchen.